In this fast-paced world, we are constantly labeled by our careers, by our gender, by the nation stamped on our passport. You are a doctor. You are a woman. You are Pakistani. You are American. You are a student. You are a worker. You are something assigned. But the Qur'an calls you something else, something far more sacred, something far more eternal. It calls you an ayah. What is an ayah? It's not just a verse of the Qur'an. An ayah is a sign, a divine symbol, a message, a mirror that reflects something beyond itself. And Allah says over and over in the Qur'an that He shows us His signs in the world and within ourselves. We will show them our signs in the universe and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this is the truth. Surah Fussilat, Surah 41, verse 53. But modern life teaches the opposite. It reduces you to a title, to a label, to a temporary role in a fleeting world. You become what you do, not what you are. And in the noise of titles and tags, you forget the one identity that matters, that you are a sign of Allah. Allah did not create you by accident. You are not a product of society. You are not defined by your country's borders, not by the gender you were assigned, not by the job you clock into. You were breathed into by the divine. Then He fashioned him and breathed into him of His Spirit. Surah As-Sajdah, Surah 32, verse 9. You carry something inside you that the angels were commanded to bow to. So why are you bowing to your job title? Why are you enslaved to how society sees you? You are not just a woman. You are not just a man. You are not just an employee. You are a walking ayah, a living proof that God exists, that He creates with beauty, intention, and meaning. And among His signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth and the diversity of your languages and your colors. Surah Ar-Rum, Surah 30, verse 22. Even your background, your culture, your body, are not barriers to who you are. They are signs within you, not labels to divide you. But society brands you with expectations. And when you fail to meet them, you feel worthless. You think, if I lose my job, I lose my worth. If I'm not seen as successful, I'm nothing. If I don't fit in, I'm broken. But Allah never said, you are your job. He said, indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and in yourselves are signs for those who reflect. Surah Ad-Dariyat, Surah 51, verse 20 to 21. Not for those who hustle, not for those who impress, but for those who reflect. To be an ayah is to live with the awareness that your existence is meaningful even when no one is watching, even when the world ignores you, even when you're tired, unemployed, forgotten. You are still a sign because you were created by the one who does not create in vain. Did you think that we created you without purpose? Surah Al-Mu'minun, Surah 23, verse 115. You were created with divine intention, not to impress, but to express the reality that this life points to something greater. So don't let this world shrink you. Don't let it reduce you to a passport or a paycheck. Allah sees you beyond it all, and He asks you to see yourself the same way. You are not your nationality. You are not your salary. You are not even your gender. You are a reminder, a proof, a sign that there is a creator. You are an ayah, so live like a sign. And within yourselves, do you not see? Surah Ad-Dariyat, Surah 51, Verse 21. Reflect. Reconnect. Return to your essence. Subscribe for more Quranic insights at the edge of modern life.